Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice the Uncle Roger way. First, let's talk about the rice. Always use day-old, cold rice. This ensures a perfect, non-soggy texture. Rinse your rice properly before cooking, but do not overwash it. And please, for the love of good fried rice, never use a colander to drain your cooked rice. Just let it cool down naturally. Next, achieving that essential wok high is crucial. Heat your wok to a very high temperature until it's smoking slightly. Then, add a generous amount of oil, about 2 tablespoons, to prevent anything from sticking. Swirl the oil around the entire surface of the wok, ensuring it's evenly coated. This high heat and proper oil distribution are key for that authentic flavor. Now, let's talk about the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 eggs directly into your hot wok and scramble them quickly. Once cooked, push the eggs to one side of the wok, making space for your other ingredients. And for that authentic, delicious flavor, do not forget to add a small pinch of MSG. It is the king of flavor, trust Uncle Roger. Finally, it is time to bring it all together. Add your day-old rice to the wok and stir-fry vigorously for several minutes, breaking up any clumps. When adding soy sauce, pour it around the edge of the wok, allowing it to caramelize slightly before mixing. Continue stir-frying until all ingredients are well combined, heated through, and smelling absolutely delicious. Enjoy your perfect fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.